everybody, welcome to my channel, and today's video I have an unboxing for you today, and it is February's Birchbox. There we go. Alright, so for anybody who doesn't know, Birchbox is a monthly subscription box. It is £10 a month plus £2.95 postage and packaging. You get, it's usually sample sizes or deluxe mini sizes that we get in Birchbox, but it's a great way of trying new products, testing out whether or not you like them. I do have a refer a friend code for Birchbox, so that entitles you to a little bit of discount, and I get a little bit of something back to spend in their shop as well. So I shall link that all below, as well as the Birchbox website with all the details of this subscription for you. Are we ready? Let's get into it. Of course, this is February's box, so it is a Valentine's themed. Here we go. We can see the love hearts. There we go. This is it, and again, it's like it has been the last couple of months. It's a drawer. Let's open it up and see what we've got. Oh, and the leaflet it tells you all about the products. Has just fallen off. There we go. So yeah, you do always get a little leaflet telling you about the products inside and their retail value, and it also gives you a sneak peek for your following month's box. Looks like we're going to get a choice of a liquid lipstick, so that will be interesting. I'll wait for the email telling me to make my choice when it comes towards the end of the month. Here we go. So I'll refer to this as we go along. First item in the box is a little miniature. It's 10 grams of the Sand and Sky Australian Pink clay mask. I have used this product before. In fact, I've got a video of me using it and applying it. I will link that up here for you now if you want to go and check that out. Really, really lovely, lovely product. The first full-size version of this is about £41, but it comes with a little brush as well, which is fantastic for applying it. It's really, really great for mattifying, for closing your pores up. You just pop it on, leave it to dry, and then wash it off, and your skin afterwards is just, oh, it's so soft and smooth. Really, really, really good product. So I'm very, very pleased that that's in there. Next item in the box. Now, this was the sort of sneak peek from last month, and it's a blusher. It is by Beautyneke Beauty, and I chose the shade Darling Dahlia. It's a bloom blush. They are cruelty free. Not sure if they're vegan. Yes, I think they're vegan as well, this brand. And the RRP of this is £9.50. This is a full-size product. Let me see if I can take the packaging off for you, and we'll give you a little swatch and see what the colour is like. We had, like I say, we had a choice of two colours. I can't remember what the other one was, but the other one was a very, very pinky colour, and yeah. No, I decided to go for this one. More of like a browny terracotta corally colour. Beautiful imprint of a rosebud on there. There we go. I'll show you it on the finger and then on the back of the hand. There we go. Yeah, more of an orangey, browny, almost like a bronzer really in a way. So I'll just buff that out a little, just so we can get a much better idea of the colour. There we go. Very, very nice. Really pleased with that. The next item in the box, this is a full-size product. It's from Wrights Masks, and it's a lip mask to plump and repair. The RRP of this is £4.99. Now, I've used obviously sheet masks, face masks. I've never used a lip mask. I do have to be very, very careful with my lips because my scars from my hair lip repairs and one thing and another. I do get lots and lots of dry skin on my lips. So, do you know what? I've got this in my box. I shall give it a go and I'll report back to you and let you know how I get on with it. I'm a little bit like, I kind of feel as though it'll probably be a bit, it might be a bit weird. I don't know. I'm keeping an open mind, and like I should say, I'm excited to try that. There we go. So that was the lip mask, like I say. The next item in the box is a, looks like an eye mask. Again, this is a full-size product. It's by Space Masks, and it is a rose mask. Oh, it's a self-heating eye mask, which were, the warmth comes alive as soon as you open it, so make sure you're fully reclined and ready for lift-off. Who did we get? Was it Rockerbox? We got a warming eye mask in this month as well, so that's interesting. That's interesting. 2 self-heating eye masks in different subscription boxes, but both in February. The RRP of this is £3.50. There we go. Next item in the box. This looks like a miniature. It is 20 mils, so that's not a bad deluxe mini size. And it's by the company Amica. And it's an exfoliating jelly shampoo. I have never heard of an exfoliating jelly shampoo. It has to be said. Exfoliating face washes, yes. Exfoliating body washes, yeah. Exfoliating shampoo? That is a new one on me, everybody. Okay, it just says to give your scalp some well-deserved TLC with this 2-in-1 shampoo and scrub, suitable for all hair types. The innovative jelly formula uses charcoal, pink clay and sea salt to purify, rebalance and soothe your scalp, removing all traces of product buildup and dead skin cells. Direct the targeted applicator tip at your scalp, massage to distribute, then rinse and follow with conditioner. Oh, so it's sealed, so maybe that targeted applicator tip is on the full-size version. Now, it doesn't tell me what the full-size version, the size of it is, but its RRP of the full size is £20, so that's a nice, I mean, to be honest, for me, I haven't got a lot of hair. This'll probably last me a good 3 or 4, maybe even 5 washes. So that for me is a really, really good sample size. Obviously, the longer hair you've got, whatever, that's not going to last you as long. But nice to have in a box, and it's something a bit different. Something a bit different. I like different products. And then the final product in the box. This is a Lord & Berry lip crayon in the shade Soul. This is a full-size product and its RRP is £14. I do have another Lord & Berry lip pencil that I received in October's glossy box. I absolutely adore this, absolutely adore it. It's so soft and smooth, so comfortable on your lips. It's not drying, lasts forever, really long wearing. So I am very, very pleased this is in here. Let's give it a little swatch, if my camera will focus. There we go. It looks like quite a dusky pinky reddy browny type of colour. Oh, maybe got an orangey hint in there. That'll go lovely with the blusher. Yeah, really, really pleased with that. I mean, the other one I got is in a red. I'll just hold the two up so you can see the difference in the shades. And I'm not a red person, but I absolutely adore wearing this red Lord & Berry lip crayon. So to have this other shade as well, I am extremely, extremely pleased about that. Really, really pleased. Okay, so let's tot everything up. The RRP of this is £14. The blusher is £9.50, so that's £23.50. The lip mask is £5, so that's £28.50. This is also a full-size item, and that's worth £3.50, so that's £32. So this month we have 4 full-size items, and then we have 2 sort of deluxe mini sizes, trial sizes. So we've got £32 worth of products here with these 4 full sizes. Like I say, I'm not 100% sure of the value of these, but what we're looking at, I mean, like I say, the Australia, the Sand and Sky, that's probably, that sample size has got to be worth, what? It's got to be worth about £3 or £4. That's probably worth about the same. I would say we've got nearly £40 worth of product in a box that costs me £12 or £13. It's either £2.95 or £3.95 B&B. Can't quite remember. I'm very, very happy with that. Again, having 2 masks in a box, you know, yes, it's a bit different because it's the lip mask, and I've not had a lip mask before, so that's really good. And again, the self-warming eye mask is great. Love the blusher, love the lipstick. I think the exfoliating shampoo is a fantastic little product, and I already know how much I adore this. So I am very, very pleased with this box. But as always, everybody, let me know down in the comments what you think to it. Do you receive this box? Have you had the same items as me? I think it was only the blusher that was potentially different. If not, you know, and it's a box that you're thinking about, potentially you might fancy joining up, like I say, I do have that refer a friend code. If you are new here, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you would like to, please think about subscribing, either by the red button down below or the little icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. In the meantime, if you'd like to check another couple of videos out of other content that I've done, I'll pop them up there for you now. Thank you for watching. As always, everybody, enjoy the rest of your day, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.